share with you a traditional makeup look which is quite famous during Durga Puja. We know that we have a lot of way to enjoy our festival, and doing makeup is one of them, especially for women. So stay tuned with me and let's get into the video.
I always prefer to moisturize my face before applying any makeup. That will help you to get a flawless makeup. Today I am using a vitamin C serum as a makeup base. You can use it for your skincare also. And don't forget to moisturize your lips also. Before starting my eye makeup, I'm filling out my eyebrows perfectly. Here I am concealing my upper eyelid to hide pigmentation that will help me to get a perfect eyeshadow. You need to blend it perfectly and give a perfect base. This is the one of hack which I learned from Pinterest, so I'm using it here. Now I started my eye makeup with peachy red eyeshadow on my eye crease and blending it towards the corner of my eyes. It will help you to create a depth to the eyes. Now I'm applying a light golden highlighter shade just below my eyebrows and above the crease line and blend it perfectly so that it will not left any harsh line over my eyelids. So smudge. As I have used two colors for my eyes, so it requires perfect blending, otherwise it will look segmented. Here I am using a red glittery eyeshadow and blending it with the base. Here I am using fake eyelashes for more dramatic eye look. Now I am using liquid eyeliner to create a long winged eyeliner on my upper eyelid and also create a small wing at the inner and outer corner of my eyes. Now I am using my favorite MAC foundation with the shade number 43.5 and blending it all over my face perfectly. For fixing my foundation, here I'm using MAC mineral powder. And now I'm moving towards contouring part. Here I'm using LA concealer to contour my face and my nose, and blending it with the help of small sponge. Here I'm using brush to contour my cheek. And now I am highlighting my cheekbone area, bridge of nose and little bit over the forehead. And I'm blending it perfectly with a beauty blender. This is my favorite step. Here I am applying a pretty coral pink blush on my cheeks. For this step, you only need to smile. Now I am using my favorite highlighter palette, and I'm highlighting my cheekbone area, my bridge of nose and little bit over the forehead and cupid bone. Here I am using Lakme Iconic Kajal to create more dramatic eye look. And I am creating a thick line over the lower waterline. Now it's time for lips. Here I am using Nykaa matte lip gloss with the shade number 13 Mumtaz. I have completed my face makeup, and here I am using face mist to fix my makeup. And if you are married, you can use red herbal sindoor. And now I am completing my look with pairing golden jewelry and bindi. And I'm done.
I'm done with my fresh dramatic makeup look. Please try to wear something in red, like you can wear red sari, red suit, red lehenga choli, anything, and pair it with lots of golden jewelry. It will help you to enhance your beauty and your makeup. I hope you liked it, and if you really find out this video is helpful, please share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And there is a bell icon just next to the subscribe button. Please press it also so that you can get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So till then, bye bye.